Hello guys, Amy here and you are watching Android Power. So in this short video, I'll tell you what's new in Android P launcher. So I am using this launcher on my Mi A1. So I'll review that. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And as you guys can see from my screen, it has now bigger dock than before, and if you guys can notice, it has now rounded edges on the dock on the top of the left and right, and also the Google search bar is now in bottom, and also you can use the Google Assistant from the Google search bar. So in my opinion, it's a very good feature. So that's pretty much nothing much change in Android P, and I can say the animations of Android P launcher is better than the launcher of Android Oreo. And if you long press on the home screen and go to the settings of the launcher, the notification dots and changing of the shape of the icons options are there. So those options are still there, nothing much change in that. So if you go to the version, it says Android P, it says version P, and if we go to the app info, it says Pixel launcher, and the bounce effect on Pixel launcher is still present in Android P launcher. So one thing to remember guys, you need to uninstall the previous Pixel launcher in order to install Android P launcher, and I'll provide the links in the description box, so you guys can download Android P launcher for your Mi A1 from there. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my work, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. Till then, I'm signing off. Bye bye.